Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether you can use Blupeak from any country. Blupeak Credit Union is primarily based in the United States, specifically serving members who meet specific eligibility criteria, which typically ties back to living, working, or worshiping in select regions or qualifying through associated organizations. Because it is a U.S. financial institution, opening a brand new membership account generally requires meeting these domestic residency and identification requirements, meaning individuals residing permanently overseas without a qualifying U.S. connection cannot simply sign up from anywhere in the world. However, if you are already an existing Blupeak member, managing your account and using your financial tools outside of the United States works differently. Digital banking, online portals, and mobile apps allow you to access your funds globally. Though some users note that accessing accounts via certain foreign VPNs can occasionally trigger security blocks or require extra verification steps. When it comes to physical spending, your Blupeak debit or credit card can be used internationally. Blupeak cards are designed to function at millions of merchant locations and ATMs worldwide wherever major payment networks are accepted. Keep in mind that international transactions typically carry a foreign currency transaction fee, which is commonly around 1%. Furthermore, because financial institutions utilize strict fraud monitoring systems to flag unusual geographic patterns, traveling abroad or attempting transactions from another country requires you to set a travel notice on your account beforehand. You can do this easily through the mobile app under card management or by contacting the member service team directly, ensuring that your card isn't automatically locked for suspicious foreign activity. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.